your point,
Yeah.
sir. Mm.
Yeah. That is why you find the Chinese character also in this. Go to Earth.
Mm-hmm.
I have put one image which is a Chinese character.
Okay.
Below that is the three broken lines.
Correct, correct. So one Chinese character and three broken lines. Correct.
Read now.
Earth, Kun. This is the triagram with three in or broken lines. This
Hmm.
is the only all in triagram.
Hmm.
Earth symbolizes firmness, flexibility, and endurance.
Hmm.
Oozing, five elements is earth. Natural phenomena is black soil, mist.
Hmm.
Geographical implication is southwest, village, field.
Hmm.
People, mother, queen, farmer.
Hmm.
Characteristics, parsimony, multiple character, modesty, stubbornness.
Hmm.
Body pose, abdomen, stomach.
Hmm. Hmm.
Season, between two seasons.
Yes.
Animals, mare and cow.
Hmm.
Objects, a square objects, cloth, wagon, earthware.
Hmm.
Buildings, buildings facing southwest, warehouse.
Hmm.
Roads to the southwest, level road.
Okay.
Color will be black, bronzed. Associated image is earth.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay. These are all various things told about one single thing.
Mm.
Yes. You can relate.
Mm.
Suppose you meet a young lady, that is
Mm.
yes. The person is feminine.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
உங்களாட்டம் ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் படிச்சாரு, அவருக்கு வீட்டில் ஏசியில் ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
Mm.
He asked the book. The book
Mm-hmm.
gave answer yes.
Oh.
That boy called me and asked me, sir, I don't understand yes. நான் சொன்னேன், உன் பிளக்ல எர்த் பாயிண்ட் செக் பண்ணு. He
Okay.
called the electrician.
Mm.
He called the electrician and checked the thing. They found something wrong with those
Mm.
earth connected wiring.
Okay. Oh.
The boy was shocked. He was afraid
Mm.
also.
Mm. Mm.
But the answer is correct. He was having
Correct.
some doubt
Mm.
about the electrical safety.
Mm-hmm.
And similarly, when you meet
Great.
another person, that person, if he is a male, he will be pot-bellied.
Okay.
A male person
Oh.
with a big belly. You will see the belly
Mm.
moving separately. That is the in character.
In character. Okay. Oh.
And sometimes this will denote your mother.
Mm.
So you need to
Mm.
be you should be able to connect with that person.
Okay. Mm.
Yeah, I'm telling you various things so that whenever you get an opportunity, you will know it is indirectly.
Indirectly. Mm.
So that is the thing.
Mm.
Very good. Go to the
Okay.
next one.
Yeah. Thunder, Chen.
Yes.
This is the triagram with a yan line at the bottom followed by two yin lines. Thunder symbolizes arousing, starting movement. Using five elements is wood. Natural phenomena is thunder clouds. Geographical implication is east, wooded land, busy street. People, elder son, middle aged male, athlete, hot tempered people.
Mm.
Characteristics anger, shock, diligence, mobility, capability. Body parts feet and liver.
Mm.
Season spring. Animals dragon, snake. Objects flute, firewood.
Mm.
Buildings building facing east, building in the woods. Road to the east, a busy highway.
Mm.
Color will be green. Associated image is thunder.
Yes. Go to the next one.
Next one is wind. This is a triagram with yin line at the base followed by two yang lines.
Correct.
Wind symbolizes tidiness and penetration.
Penetration. Gentle penetration from the bottom.
Bottom.
Another, there is an opening in the bottom.
Bottom. Correct. Correct.
Right.
Oozing wood. Natural phenomena will be wind. Geographical implication will be southeast, orchard, luxuriant land. People will be elder daughter, middle-aged female, educated people. Characteristics: nourishing, undecided, flattering, desiring, skeptical. Body parts: bottom, thighs, breath. Season: late spring to early summer. Animals: chicken, birds.
Mm.
Objects: wood, rope, bamboo. Buildings: building facing southeast. Convent: building it in the woods. Road to the southeast. Color, dark green. Associated image, wind. Water, Khan. This is a triagram with a yin at the base, a yang line at the middle, a yin line at the top. Water symbolizes danger and trapper. Wungzing will be water, natural phenomena, rain, flowing water, flood. Geographical implication will be north, rivers and lakes, stream, well. People, middle sun, vagabond, adventurer. Characteristics, risky, dangerous, weak externally but resolute internally, courageous, fashionable. Body parts, ears, blood, kidneys, bladder. Season, winter. Animals, pig, fish, fox. Objects, water, wine. Buildings, buildings facing north, building near water, hotel. Roads, road to the north, color black, associated image will be water.
Water. Also blood.
Black.
This is a thing that is connected with the danger.
Oh, so black
Uh,
also.
Black is not danger,
Mm.
but black is the color associated with the primary energy.
Okay.
So when you
Got it,
connect
sir.
it with the health aspect, you will remember the sickness. கால் பார்த்தா அவனுக்கு பன் மாதிரி வீங்கி இருக்கும்.
Correct.
There is something called edema.
Edema.
They will have a swelling. And water flow will not be correct in their bodies. Either
Okay.
kidney area, some difficulties, or water detained in the body.
Okay.
These are all health answers to with this we can interpret in a health angle.
Wonderful.
But generally we don't jump to conclude, but you can get immediate clues.
So that
You
can be the
understand?
conclusion. That can be a clue.
See, you can always take expert help, go for a test, this, that. But primary clues will be given here directly.
Oh, okay.
Whenever occasion arises, I will tell you about that also.
Fine, sir. Great.
So,
Okay.
without doing anything, you will get immediate clue instead of waiting.
So it's like going to the lab, taking a test.
You will know when to
Without
wait.
even-
You will know when you cannot wait. That itself is very important. When it comes to health, you must know when not to wait and seek professional help.
Right.
Go to the next one.
Fire, the Li. This is a triagram with a yang at the base, one yin at the middle, and one yang at the top. Fire symbolizes beauty and radiance. Oozing. Fire, natural phenomena, fire, the sun, lightning, electricity, neon light, fine weather. Geographical implication, south, hot and dry places, factory, mining site. People, middle daughter, middle-aged female, pregnant woman, people with poor eyesight. Characteristics, literacy, art, wisdom, impatience. Body parts will be eyes, heart. Season is summer. Animals, chicken, cow, crab, clam, turtle. Objects will be fire, books, armor, red items. Buildings, building facing south, bright building, vacant room. Roads to the south, a hot and arid road. Color will be red and purple. Associated image will be fire.
Right.
Right. Next one. Mountain, Ken. This is a triagram with two yin lines followed by a yang line on top. Mountain symbolizes stoppage and stationary. Oozing.
Mountain is also an extension of the earth.
Of earth. Correct. Yeah.
The
That's
earth
why oozing
going up.
says earth.
Earth rising is mountain.
Mountain. Correct, sir.
Right.
Natural phenomena will be mountain, small rock, gateway. Geographical implication, northeast, mountains, a city near a mountain, people, youngest son, children, hermit in the mountain. Characteristics, conservative, quiet, realistic, cautious. Body parts, hand, fingers. Time, light winter and early spring. Animals, dog, rat, birds with powerful gills. Objects, soil and stone, trees with many joints. Buildings, building facing northeast, building near hills. Road to the northeast, cul-de-sac, color tan, light brown. Associated image will be mountain. Next. Marsh 2E.
Yes.
This diagram has two young lines at the bottom with one in the top. Marsh symbolizes joy and satisfaction. Oozing will be metal. Natural phenomena: marsh, rain, dew, snow, new moon, stars. Geographical implication: west, wetland, waterfront. People: youngest daughter, teenage girl, young actress, concubine. We spoke about this yesterday. Waitress, maid.
You use the
Characteristics:
soft term,
joy.
secondary wife. I use a term called secondary wife. That's a soft
Correct,
way
sir.
of.
Correct, sir. Soft way of saying correct. Characteristics will be joy, sentiment, loving, sex, argument, slander, flattery. Body parts: mouth, tongue. Season is autumn. Animals: goat, sheep. Objects: sword, stringed musical instrument, container with a mouth. Buildings: buildings in the west, pier, shabby house. Roads: road to the west. Color: white. Associated image will be lake.
1 second, I stop you here. When you
Yes,
get
sir.
this also denotes a person who is interested in occult field.
Mm-hmm.
The person
Oh.
will be too deeply into spiritual thinking,
Mm-hmm.
occult interest, குறி சொல்றது,
Mm-hmm.
இந்த
Okay.
வித்தை காட்டுறது, மந்திரவாதிகள்,
Mm-hmm.
அந்த மாதிரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் எல்லாம் இதுல காட்டும்.
Oh, okay. Marshall.
I want to give you a case study.
Okay. Oh.
On some question, I got an answer containing this diagram.
Mm-hmm.
So I asked the boy, என்னடா போய் யாராவது குறி சொல்ற லேடியை பார்த்தியா அப்படின்னு கேட்டான்.
Mm.
He said no.
Mm.
Then after thinking for some time, he said, sir, we met a man, but he was dressed in sari.
Mm-hmm.